Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the important questions for 4th SEM with the subject Biology for Engineers and with the subject code BBOC407. So let's start with the first module. In the first module, I have removed 4 important questions. The first question is, what is biomolecule? Explain the functions and properties of vitamins, lipids, carbohydrates and proteins. Either they'll ask you the functions or either they'll ask you the properties. Second, compare prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Third, explain the structure and functions of a cell with a neat diagram with components. Either they'll ask prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. And the fourth question is, identify and explain the application of stem cells. So if you're focusing only on passing, you have to study 2 questions completely from this module. That is the first question and the fourth question. Second, third question, you can leave it. If you prepare also, it's well and good. From the second module, we have 5 questions. So the first question is highlighting the properties of cellulose, justify the cellulose as an effective water filter, advantages and limitations of CBWFs, what are PHA and PLA, explain their significance in bioplastic production, mention their functions and applications. The third question is explain the working and development of DNA and RNA vaccine by taking suitable example. If they tell you to write the development of DNA, then you will use the rabies example, and if RNA, then you will use the COVID-19 example. The fourth question is discuss the following: meat analogs of proteins and lipids has cleaning agents or biodiesel or food. They'll only ask you one. So the fifth question is explain the working of DNA fingerprinting for forensic application. In this module, if you're focusing only on passing, then you can read the first question, third question, fourth and fifth. So moving on to the next module, that is module 3. I have removed 4 questions. The first question is, what is EEG? Discuss the types of brain activity detected with EEG. Write any 3 applications. Second is, what are pacemakers? Briefly explain various kind of pacemakers. 3. Explain heart as a mechanical pump or lungs as purification or kidney as filtration system. Fourth, explain architecture of rod and cone cells with suitable diagram. Write a short note on cataract. From this module, if you want to focus only on passing, then please read the first question and the third question. The first question, if you get, then from the third question, you won't get brain activity. There's another question known as brain activity. So if you get the first one, you won't get brain. Instead, you get heart, lungs, or kidney. So moving on to the module 4, I have removed 6 questions. Module 4 is a easy module because it has all small answers. The first one is, what is ultrasonography? Explain the uses and working principles. Second is, what is lotus leaf effect? Explain the mechanism and applications of superhydrophobic effects. Third, the structure and design of kingfisher beak led to the design of bullet trains. Explain. Fourth, explain the working and application of bionic leaf technology. Fifth, shark skin inspired materials used in swimsuits or aircraft surfaces. Sixth, how is echolocation used in human made systems such as sonar or ultrasound devices? So in this, if you're focusing only on passing, they'll definitely ask one questions on echolocation, either by sonar or ultrasound devices, that is a sixth, or the first question, that is what is ultrasonography. Second, what is lotus leaf effect? It's a fixed question which will always appear in your exam. And third and fifth will be your or questions. You'll either get the third question or the fifth question. Any one may come. All the application based will come. Any one can come from the application based questions. So moving on to the next module, that is module 5. I have removed 4 questions. The first question is explain the use of electrical tongue in food science. Second, explain the advantages and limitations of artificial intelligence for disease diagnosis or bioimaging. Third, explain bioengineering solutions for muscular dystrophy and osteoporosis. Fourth, explain most commonly used bioprinting techniques. Fourth question is important. It always appears in your exam. So here we complete all the 5 modules. If you're completely focusing on passing, then you have to study the module 1. You can leave the module 2. From module 1, don't skip any questions. From module 3, you can study heart, lungs and kidney and brain. That is important. From module 4 and 5 also, don't skip anything because these are the most important questions from those topics and you can score easily here. So that's it for today's video. I wish you all the best for your biology exam. Yet if you have any doubts, you can put them into the comment section. I'll make sure I reply to it. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and share this video to all your friends. Thank you. All the best.